You might have obviously heard of RGB colors. So let's try that. RGB, red, green and blue. So the thing you have to do here is 255. So the range is pretty much 0 to 255. That's what I'm trying here. So what I'm trying is, I'm saying RGB, the range of each color is 0 to 255. So when I say 255 00, Visual Studio is able to say, I mean, at least show how this color looks. So it's pretty dark. So the range of red here, what I have done here is 255, which is like the highest range of red. Let me try something like a 200. Now see, the color is going down. Let's try 150. It's going down. 100. 10. So the redness is going down. Okay, so the 0 here. Let's try for the green. And when you do the RGB 0 and 0 and 0, it's pretty much white, sorry, black. We'll try the green now. 255 is the brightest green. So if you want to reduce that, that's how you do. Same for blue. Yeah. Let's see what happens if we combine them all. So that's white. So all 0 is all colors being down to 0 is pretty much black. When you increase that to 255, it's white. So that's how you could assign values in terms of RGB.